everyone, it's Leslie Birkland here, and as we are all self-quarantining, we're finding, especially us ladies with long hair, that we need our hair trimmed. So I'm going to show you how to trim your own hair, and it's going to be the best haircut that you've ever had. What you do is you take your hair and you put it in a reverse ponytail. So instead of your ponytail in the back or the nap of your head, you're going to put it smack dab the top of your head, right above your forehead, right in the center. Make sure it's very, very smooth. And then what you do is you brush and you brush the hair, the actual ponytail hair, and then you smooth it and smooth it out with your fingers. I take these two fingers and I angle my fingers ever so slightly downward. Then I take a look at it, and this is the cut that I want to make. So I'm going to do it again because I didn't get it quite smooth enough. Just want to have the absolute perfect haircut. So, okay, so here it is. I just take some snippers and I snip, 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 snip it along the line. I prefer to not snip inwards like some people do that. I don't like that rough look. I like the ends of my hair very, very blunt. But this is a perfect layered haircut. Take it out and you will have the best hair, perfectly, perfectly layered. Each layer is equal. There's layers in the back. The length of your hair doesn't change all that much. It's just, I probably just maybe a quarter of an inch. I've given myself some bangs. It brushes out great. And that is it. This is the best haircut that I have ever had, ever. Okay, so while you're self-quarantining yourself, and if you need a haircut, try my reverse ponytail haircut. Tell me how you like it. Any questions? Write to me. Thank you. Bye-bye.